out the crowds, bro.
So I can stand here and hold your hand. Let's hold hands.
Hold his hand. Do you feel safe?
No, I don't. Only in the streets of Mexico. Is this safe or no?
On the streets of Mexico.
Hey, you guys send me those videos on TikTok.
I'm just asking.
Did we see any what?
Anything untoward?
This area.
I'm scared of my own shadow.
God.
Are you a prostitute? Super aggro. God is...
Always with me.
Oh.
But
I was abducted one time. Yeah. Experimented on.
Hey, Direct D said hi. Debbie. There you go, D. That's for you right there, bro. She said hi.
Bring out the crowds, bro. We bring out the crowds.
How close?
Hold up, the federal judge. You wanted so I can stand here and hold your hand. Let's hold hands.
Hold his hand.
Let's hold hands.
Hold his hand.
Everything was fine. So you wanted to.
How do you say your name? Dito? DeTorres. Don't be like this guy. You see all those French fries on his arm? He's been around a long time, and there's no sergeant stripes there.
Officer safety.
Is it 4 or 3 years?
What about when you go to the grocery store?
4 or 3 years. Let's just say 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 years. At least you've been on the force and you don't have your sergeant stripes, bro. It's because you act like that. This is the best that you're gonna do. How old are you?
Hey, stupid.
I don't know you. Okay, but you understand what I'm saying?
Are we safe here or no?
Do you feel safe?
No, I don't. Only in the streets of Mexico. Is this safe or no?
On the streets of Mexico.
Yeah, only in the streets of like, where are we at? Are we safe or no?
Well, that's why we're out here, is we're trying to make sure
Well,
everybody's...
that's what I'm asking. Can somebody answer the question or no?
Yeah, we're safe.
Are we safe or are we not safe? Body cam guy?
Yeah. What's your name?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
You sound ignorant is what it sounds like.
Because I asked you for your name?
No. Because you have a body cam on.
Are you drunk?
No. Are we safe or no?
Yeah, we're safe.
Okay.
Do you smell alcohol emanating from the vehicle?
Thank you for asking.
Yeah, so, yeah. This is important us, that's all.
Are you under the influence of anything?
Have a good night.
You seem like you're under the influence. Are you under the influence? You're gonna be famous, buddy. 82A2AH. Wow, that wasn't smart.
These guys out there, on about Mexico. Won't do that.
Because he sees a bunch of Mexicans standing around, so he got racist.
When you're driving a motor vehicle,
I love people like that. Stupid camera guy, did you hear him?
I didn't hear him.
Did you see?
Hey, don't jack it for me. I'm looking at you.
Heard the whole interaction, right? Anything untoward that you thought?
Hey, you guys send me those videos on TikTok.
I'm just asking as a concerned city employee.
Did we see any what?
Anything untoward?
No, no, no. So my buddy actually said you're a really nice guy.
Wow. Wait till he gets to know me.
You have a good night, man.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm just being a little nosy. What happened? Are you an under? Oh no, you're.
No, hell no, I ain't no cop.
What happened? Why are you guys...
Just a traffic stop. We're YouTubers.
Oh, I figured it was just a traffic stop.
Yeah.
So why are you guys recording?
Just to make sure that they don't kill anybody.
So you thought someone was going to kill people because of a traffic stop?
No.
Okay.
This is a dangerous world, right?
This area.
I'm scared of my own shadow. Somebody might die if my shadow could kill me, right? Hey, my shadow.
Yeah. So I mean, I know this area is pretty bad with
Yeah.
like, prostitution, drugs.
Are you a prostitute?
No, I'm not.
I'm not either.
That's why I don't give homeless people money, because that's all they're. Understand, like,
Whoa. Whoa. Super aggro. Yeah, we all sleep together and hang out, all that good stuff.
Who are you saying that to? The cops? Or?
No, do you? Well, what does your phone say? God is.
Always with me.
Oh.
I'm a Jesus advocate,
Whoa.
but I don't have YouTube. I mean, I have YouTube.
Do you believe in aliens?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I believe there's definitely other life out there. Angels, demons, aliens.
like that.
Life on Earth. But
I was abducted one time.
I believe that.
Yeah. Experimented on.
So you guys are all part of like a group?
Yeah, we're
Is it crooked up
it's
this-
very crooked, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh well.
Can I like,
All we do is harass cops and make money for clicks and views. That's what we do.
what is your name on YouTube?
I'll give you a sticker. How about that? You'll be able to see yourself on there. She's recording you. Hey, she's recording you. Steve, she's recording you. Pay attention.
And then he backed it up on me, bro.
Can I give her one too?
Here, you guys can have one.
Can I give her one?
No, I'm gonna go give her one. What was your name? I'm Chris.
I'm Jasmine.
Jasmine, nice to meet you, Jasmine.
Me too.
You'll see yourself on the internet.
Okay, cool.
Have a good night.
Jesus is the way, the truth, the life. That's the only
I don't know who that is, but all right.
And that's
Here, give some of these to your friends and tell them that you met me. Is that Grumpy Butt over there? Huh? Is that Grumpy Butt? You want a sticker, Grumpy Butt? No?
what was he saying?
All right, good night. I love you. See you later. Bye. All right, education time's over. Let's go. Did you get in? Oh, okay.
Is this back tire flat? It is. He's got a flat.
Bye, Grumpy Butt. Bye-bye, Grumpy Butt. You got a flat tire, loser. Have a good night. I love you. Ta-ta for now. Unless I'm obstructing the roadway, shut the fuck up. Hey, dumbass. F you. We're gonna be on you guys. Fucking flies on shit tonight. See you later. Busted grape, dude. I'm standing right here. I just admitted to recording that shit. It's not a felony. Welcome back to another episode.
I think it's obvious, I think it's obvious that every time we leave the house, the pigs are stopping us. I think it's obvious, they want us in them locks and cuffs. Watching them cause they be watching us. There's less of them and there's lots of us. They're violating all kinds of rights. I seen pigs on horses and riding bikes. That's the sound when the siren lights. That's the sound of the violent nights. It's like they're just waiting on a time to strike. There might be a foot chase. Tie your nikes, you get shot in the face if you try to fight somewhere. Someone will probably die tonight. Probably die.